Hello everybody and welcome to another video of Home for Obsolete Technology. In this video we are actually going to use this CRT tester and I think it would be funny if we just test random TVs, because as you see I definitely have more than enough of them, and this is actually the first one we are going to test. This is, I think it was a Müter CRT 57. It's a black and white CRT, and it's a MW4369. And yeah, as you see, I have a few of these adapters for different CRTs, but I don't have the right one for this tube. So we are going to build something and hope it works. If it doesn't, I'm a little bit frustrated. Yeah, I actually a little bit worried. I hope I don't break the CRT, because this would be a shame. But we'll try. So the first thing which is important is that we know which pin of the CRT is which, you know. And I ran into the first problem because we have this one here, and just compare the filament, the grid, and then compare this to this one, which should be the same tube. The other one was the German one, this one here, and this is the English one. Actually, this one is a MW4369Z. This one not. So I think I'll use this one, but it should not make any difference. So I found an old forum post where somebody wrote everything that I need. That guy wrote what all these colors inside the adapters mean, because they are all the same. So you can be sure the green wire and the yellow ones are for the filament, and this thing has no possibility to adjust the voltage for the filament manually, which means you get the right voltage for the filament from the adapters. Because I think you find a resistor that sets the right voltage that you need. And I don't have this, and I'm using this adapter, which is the adapter that goes right into the analyzer. So that means it could be the case that, you know, kind of 12 volts are coming out of it, and I don't want this to happen. Because if it does happen, we have a big problem and we kill the CRT. So I connected these two wires and we need to measure the voltage. Okay, I decided using this old EL84, which is an American 6P15. I decided to use this one to test the voltage for the heating circuit. You know, if that's 6.3 volts, it should work perfect, and if it isn't, the tube breaks and that's it. You know, it's an EL84. They are still produced by a Russian factory, and this is also a really old one, and it was quite bad, I guess. So I'll definitely try it. I'm also going to do some measurements. Let's power it up. Yep. That looks good. 5 volts and it's climbing. Yep. This should work just fine. Alright. So, it's been a while and I'm finally done. I used this adapter because it has every connection that I need. It looks terrible. And I hope it works and nothing blows up and the CRT dies. That would be a shame. Also, I have no idea how to use this thing. So I have the user manual over here, and we are going to explore it together. So let's see what it says. It's in German, so I need to translate it. That's not important. Yeah, that's the first thing we want to test. We want to test the cutoff. So I adjusted a few things, like the grid 1 and 2 voltage. But as I said, the first thing we are going to take is if the CRT has some shorts in it, which we can see here, or we can see, I hope we can see, and also here. So let's hope none of these lamps are lighting up. We are going to power it up. Yep, that's good. The CRT is lighting up. It's not too bright, which is good. So, and nothing is. I have it here on short test. So, I think we should let it heat up for a moment. But I would say there is nothing wrong with it. So, there's no short. This doesn't light up, and also you can see here. If it had a short, you would see it here, here, or here. That's actually kind of cool. So yeah, I'm pretty sure the CRT has no short in it. That's great. So let's get to the interesting stuff. We are now going to check how good the CRT actually is. So I need to press S4, which is this one, cut off. And now I need to turn this switch. So I think this should be the right voltage. Yeah, alright. So, next step. So, and we want to measure emissions. I don't know if we can measure the focus on this. Because, you know, I built my own adapter. But it seems to work just fine. This one. Oh! Why is the focus lighting up? That looks good. Nah, it was used. We are going to test how long it should live. That sounds awkward. So it's pretty easy. We just need to press live test. Hold on. Yeah, it's growing. Alright. We remember 0.55. I think it is 0.8. So what I did, I divided the 0.8 by the 0.55 that we had, and that means 1.45 anyways, and so 1.4, and as we see here, everything over 1.20 means this CRT won't last longer than like 1 year. Shorter. It would actually last shorter than 1 year, which is actually terrible to know. I hope that's not the truth. What I want to do in the future is I want to actually bring this back to life. And actually, keep in mind, with the remaining life, let me call it like that, means if you use it 20 hours per week. We won't use it that often. We just will use it like one or two times a month, you know, and I think it will last a few years. So thanks for watching. Like this video if you want to support me. Subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss any future projects, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.